Alright, I'm going to quickly show you the SUMIF function in Excel. SUMIF, just like it sounds, lets you sum a range of cells if another cell meets a certain criteria. So let's say we want to sum the quantity of how many delicious subcategories we have here. So I'm just going to paste that in here. I'm going to come over here to where I want to put my sum, do equals, SUMIF, open parentheses, and now my helpful formula helper pops up. So first thing is the range. So this is the range where I want to look for the criteria. So what range has the criteria I want to sum if? So I'm looking for the subcategory delicious. So I'm going to pick that as my range, B2 through B10, comma, then the criteria is going to be delicious, and then another comma, and then the sum range, the range I want to sum, which is just going to be this quantity column, D2 through D10, close parentheses, and there's 8. We have 8 delicious subcategories. I could also, instead of typing in delicious, I could just look at another cell. The mouse is being funky today. So instead of typing in delicious, I could just, since I have it in cell 813, I could just check that cell and we come up with the same value.